Safe Word, a one-page screenplay, written by Darren Coyle. Interior, nondescript living room. Night. A woman sits in a chair. She is tied with her hands behind her and a blindfold over her eyes. A man slowly walks into the room with a knife in hand. The woman shudders. After a moment, he aggressively lunges at her, pulling her hair and having his way with her. She screeches.
Ah, banana!
The man stops and stands still. The man is incredulous.
Banana?
Well, you're pulling my hair.
I thought that's what you wanted.
Yeah, but not my hair.
The man takes the blindfold off the woman and slowly paces around the room.
I just paid $300 for this. I don't want you messing it up.
I paid $300 for it.
Whatever.
Banana. What did you have to use my wife's safe word?
What does it matter? You're leaving her.
Yeah, about that. We have to talk.
Cut to black. The end.